In 2019, Dr. Baker Perry stood just below the summit of Mount Everest, 8,848 meters above sea level, where oxygen is scarce and the weather turns brutal in just minutes. There, his team installed the highest weather station on Earth. Fueled by rugged instruments from Campbell Scientific, that station began transmitting data that revolutionized how we understand water supply, storms, wind, and the climate at the planet's edge. But Everest is just one peak in a much larger story. Now, the mission pushes west, to the top of the Andes and the highest mountain in the Americas, Aconcagua. At over 6,000 meters above sea level, the atmosphere is unforgiving. But it is here, in some of the thinnest air, that weather, climate, and water data offer a unique and powerful perspective, unveiling a picture that only the heights can provide. The Aconcagua expedition aimed to relocate an existing weather station and install 4 new high-altitude weather stations, including one at the summit of Aconcagua, all with the goal of providing a more complete picture of how mountainous regions supply water downstream and contributing to high mountain meteorology research. Armed with a suite of instruments designed to measure the harsh environmental conditions on the mountains, Dr. Perry, along with his expedition co-lead Dr. Tom Matthews, and their team, began their journey. Sub-zero temperatures, extreme winds, and altitude changes push both people and equipment to the edge. As the team reached the summit, they had already installed 3 new weather stations, relocated an existing station, and endured days of exposure. The high-altitude summit installation left no room for error. Every component had to survive and perform in real-world extremes. At over 6,000 meters, the new summit station came to life. Equipped with high-precision sensors and robust data loggers, the weather station gives researchers real-time insights into water resources, weather patterns, and meteorological conditions in some of the most understudied regions, the highest peaks on Earth. These sister summit stations, one in the Himalayas, one in the Andes, offer rare insights into high mountain meteorology. They help scientists observe extreme weather, evaluate glacial retreat, study droughts, and contribute to a better understanding of Earth's rapidly changing climate. One station broke records. 2 stations start to tell a larger story. With tools built for the edge of the world, we're bringing clarity to climate science, one peak at a time.